All right, question number 4 says, consider the following function. F of x is equal to 2 minus 5x. H of x is equal to 5 raised to the power x. We're asked to find f of 4. So f of x is 2 minus 5x. F of 4 is saying to me in f, wherever I see x, I'm going to put 4. So this is 2 minus 5 times 4, which is 20. This is minus 18. Now, h of x is equal to 5 raised to the power x. So h of 0, in h, wherever I see x, I'm going to put 0. A number raised to the 0 power is equal to 1. So h of 0 is 1. Next, we're asked to find f of h of minus 2. Now, h of x is equal to 5 to the x. H of minus 2 is equal to 5 to the minus 2. Now, from your law of indices, this is the same as saying 1 over 5 squared, which is the same as saying 1 over 25. So if someone asks me to find f of h of minus 2, the first thing I would find is h of minus 2. Then I would say f of h of minus 2 is the same as saying f of 1 over 25, because h of minus 2 is 1 over 25. Now, f of x is 2 minus 5x. So this is 2 minus 5 times 1 over 25. 5 into 25 is 5. So this is 2 minus 1/5. Now, 2 is the same as saying 10 over 5 minus 1 over 5, which is, and my final answer is 9 over 5. Sorry. 9 over 5, or 1 and 4 over 5. 2 minus 2 minus 1 over 5 is 1 and 4/5. F of x, we're reminded f of x is equal to 2 minus 5x, and we're asked to find f inverse of x. Now, to find f inverse of x, there are 4 steps to it. This is step 1. Remove f of x and say y is equal to 2 minus 5x. Then you're going to interchange x and y. So it's x is equal to 2 minus 5y. Wherever you see x, you put y. Wherever you see y, you put x. The third step is to make y the subject again. So you started out with y as a subject in step 1. In step 3, you're to make y the subject again. Negative 5 on the right goes over to the left and becomes positive 5y is equal to 2. Positive x on the left goes over to the right and becomes negative x. Then we divide both sides by 5, and we get y is 2 minus x over 5. So step 3 is to make y the subject again. And step 4 is to say f inverse of x is equal to 2 minus x over 5. All right, next. we're told, given that f of x is a plus bx, determine the value of a and b. So reminding ourselves, f of x is equal to is equal to 2 minus 5x. We can go back up quickly and double check. Yeah, man, 2 minus 5x. Now, f of x is a composite function. You get f of x by putting f inside of f. How do you do that? So we want f of x. We're going to write the f function, which is 2 minus 5x. But wherever we see x in the f function, we are going to put f. So we're going to replace x with 2 minus 5x. Then we're going to simplify. This is 2 minus 5 2s, 10. We're applying distributive law. This negative times this negative is a positive. 5 5s, 25x. Now, 2 minus 10 is minus 8 plus 25x. And we are told that f of x, which is minus 8 plus 25x, is equal to a plus bx. So if these two things are equal, we're going to equate values. The constant on the left is minus 8, and the constant on the right is a. Therefore, a is equal to minus 8. The x coefficient on the left is 25, and the x coefficient on the right is b. So b is equal to 25.